Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove filler words from your videos in CapCut PC. So select your video. Here's filler words. I just said it. Filler words are basically like that. That's a filler word. When you say when you say like a lot, and when you have pauses in between what you're saying. Maybe you're thinking about it a lot and you just want to quickly edit that out without having to play the video again. So this is a pro feature. You're going to select this remove filler words, which is right here. So select it, and it's going to analyze and identify the filler words, and it's going to also identify pauses and repeats as well. So here it is. These are the pauses. You can like select which one you want to delete. You can also like play it here. So this is a pause that I had. And you can like unselect it. See, you can like select on it and like see which one of the pauses you don't want to delete. For instance, I don't want to delete this one, so I'm just going to unselect it. Here are the repeats. There's none, and this is the filler words that I had. So let's just play it. So if I unselected it, it's still going to be there. See, I said the word I keep saying again. So you're going to just select delete, and it's going to delete the filler words, repeats, and the pauses only when you select it. I can't delete it because I don't have CapCut Pro. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!